Yusek, speaking of prices, when does the President intend to use his emergency powers already granted to him by Congress to lower or suspend excise tax on petroleum products?
Sa ating pong pagkakaalam ay hindi pa po yata na ibibigay. Sa aking pagkakaalam, sorry, ang update sa akin nung Sabado ay hinihintay po na maibigay sa Pangulo para mapirmahan. Sa akin pong huling pagkakaalam. Pero pag nandiyan na po yan, pipirmahan po agad ng Pangulo yan. At lahat ng maaaring gawin at hindi lalabag sa batas at hindi lalabag mismo doon sa batas na sinusulong ngayon patungkol sa emergency powers, gagawin po yan ng Pangulo.
Ma'am, may we know the cause of the delay of the signing of the reduction of the excise tax? Is the President experiencing some kind of pushback, either from certain cabinet secretaries or certain sectors who would want to retain the VAT or the excise tax to keep afloat the government's coffers?
No, it is this is the mere fact that the President wants it to be enforced immediately. The only reason that he could not do it because the bill has not been reached the President as of now. So there is no reason for him to sign. So after that, maybe after signing, he will immediately make an order either to reduce or to suspend the excise tax.
So ang bottleneck, ma'am, if not po sa mismong Pangulo, na kanino po naaantala? Sino po yung cause of delay if not the President?
I'm not so sure right now. I am not so sure right now. But this is the words, no, that came from the President. He wants this emergency power to be given to him in order to at least lessen the impact of the crisis in the Middle East.
Yusek, balikan ko po yung tungkol sa emergency powers. Ang sinasabi po ninyo, if my understanding is correct, hindi pa lang niya nagagamit yung power because the bill is not yet with him. But once he accepts, he gets it, he will sign it immediately. Ganun
Of course,
po ba?
opo. Bakit naman hindi po niya ipipirmahan? Siya po yung nagnais po nito.
Ma'am, actually yun din ang tanong namin pare-pareho last week because when we asked him, I asked him kung kailan ba niya balak. Ang sinasabi niya, it's a very complicated calculation and he is not going to rush into lowering or suspending excise taxes. Parang hindi ho yun nga po yung nakakapagtaka, sinertify niya as urgent, but he is not in a hurry to exercise the powers.
Okay, magkaiba po yun. Iba po yung pipirma niya agad dahil gusto niya po itong batas na to, at iba po yung maaaring hindi niya agad ma-implement. Dahil tandaan po natin, nasa batas, doon sa ginawa po na bill, na kailangan na yung price ay mag-reach ng $80 per barrel sa loob ng 30 days. So as of the time na binanggit nyo yan, wala pa po kasing 30 days. So at the time, mahirapan po siya talagang i-implement. Pero pag yan, pumasok na po, na naayos sa batas na 30 days, ay maaari na po itong magawa ng anumang order. At pag sinabi po kasi nating excise tax, ito naman po ay upon entry. So pag sinabi nating upon entry, wala po tayo, if ever, wala tayong maaangkat na langis, so hindi ma-exercise yung pag-reduce at pag-suspend ng excise tax. So ganun po yung ibig sabihin ng Pangulo.